In this video we will show you how to create a violin plot in Qlik Cloud using a line chart. To get started, switch to Advanced mode. Then, drag and drop a line chart onto your sheet. Add your chosen dimension to the line chart. In this example we are using quantity. Now, add your measure. In our case, we are using customer, and we apply the count aggregation. Then, add again the same measure, but this time format it as negative. Go to the Appearance section and select Presentation. Choose the area and vertical mode for your visualization. Under Colors and Legend, opt for the single color mode. Then select a color from the available palette. Then navigate to the Data section of your dimension. Here customize the number formatting. In this example we are using the round function to aggregate data in multiples of 10, simplifying the interpretation of the visualization. And here you have the result. You now have created a violin plot using a line chart. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.